So what is the thing guys, welcome to my channel the One Piece Guide, and in today's video we are gonna talk about how can Kaido be defeated in the Wano arc. So if you guys are interested in this topic, so make sure you hit this video like and do not forget to subscribe guys. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So let's get some obvious fact out of the way. So even if Luffy becomes the strongest man in One Piece, he simply cannot defeat Kaido alone based on strength. It has been said in the anime and in the manga, if it is one-on-one match, Kaido will win. That's what people say. In land, sea, and air, he is the pirate who is known as the strongest creature among all the living things. No one could kill him, even himself. The man looking for a place to die, Kaido, King of the Beast. Kaido is not your regular enemy against whom you should measure your strength like a admiral or a Yonko. He is not even called a human. He is the creature that jumps from 10,000 meters and whacked three supernovas without any difficulty. He has Kid as his prisoner, whose bounty was greater than Luffy, and merely scoffed at the news of Luffy defeating Doflamingo. He is the one even Doflamingo feared to angry. The thing is, Luffy getting another power up is of no use. It does a little to no effect on Kaido. The only way to defeat Kaido is working together. They need some kind of simple yet elaborate strategy like they used to beat giant odds, something that will bring him down. Of course, it won't be through power alone. Some stroke of luck and some kind of mistake on Kaido's part will help them. These kind of impossible battles cannot be forged with strength. Remember, even Roger won an impossible battle against Shiki where he was heavily outnumbered due to the weather change. Seriously, of all things, he won due to weather change. Kaido is obsessed with destroying the world. He has an army of 500 Zodian type devil fruit users. They have to defeat Kaido to free Wano, otherwise the story cannot move forward. On Luffy's side, they have the Samurai Ninja Pirate Mink Alliance, the remaining of Whitebeard pirates, and the First Division Commander Marco. Maybe something special since they mention Wano Kingdom during Marineford, they may get more help. Now, there are greater chances of all supernovas versus Kaido. It is the great chance to showcase supernova's powers. In Kaido's introduction lines, they said that he was defeated 7 times, so he can be defeated after all. They can pull it off if they work together. The moment he captured Kid, the deal of supernovas versus Kaido was sealed. Somehow, joining the pieces, it is pointing towards this. Kaido thinks very lowly of the supernovas. Supernovas versus Kaido will not only give a panel time to all the supernovas but will be appropriate to defeat Kaido. Now let's get the possibility of how will all the supernovas get. So the first in our list is Captain Kid. He is already there and already set his mind to defeat Kaido. Second is Killer. Killer is the first mate of Kid, and obviously there is no doubt that he will be also involved in the battle. The third member is Hawkins. He was not captured and managed to escape. He would definitely want to revenge Kaido for wrecking him. Fourth person, Trafalgar Law. It is his damn idea in the first place to engage with Kaido. Page. After the Whole Cake Island arc, Beige is less likely to return to Big Mom. Maybe he'll tag along, maybe he will not since he's already got his panel time. Drake. He works for Kaido now, but only because he is threatened. He had no other choice. There are chances that he will jump on the bandwagon and oppose Kaido, then siding with Kaido and staying as a prisoner forever. Now, Urog, he saw Kaido jumping from the Sky Island and even proposed prayer for him. Why was he shown in the first place? Could it be something? There are chances that it was foreshadowing. Now, Apu. Like Drake, Apu is allied with Kaido now. There is no doubt when he would see the possibility of defeating Kaido, he would waste no time and leave him since no supernova is willing to work under a Yonko and he would want the same revenge too. He is an insider now. Chances are that he may have some valuable information about Kaido and can help them. In the best case scenario that could be planned to save Kid, Apu could merely be looking for an opportunity or weakness of Kaido. However, that will be too good to be true. Now, Jewelry Boni, nothing can be said about her. She was seen with Akano and later alive and not in Impel Down, so I guess she will not be joining. It would be great if all supernovas ended up joining. Bounty is being a wet blanket here. The blade and the bullets doesn't work on Kaido, so I am writing for Trafalgar Law to use the Gamma sword. It is the going to be an epic moment. Kaido wouldn't probably fit in the room, otherwise the battle would be easier to imagine. In One Piece, a character is defeated when their belief is defeated. Kaido hates everyone and wants to destroy the world. Maybe when he sees hope or want to live, and the moment he loses, he may die due to psychological stress. He is also all shown to be tad sensitive. Oda is trying to find a way to defeat Kaido non-power wise. It wouldn't be about power. Maybe supernovas will be able to stir up something. Maybe supernovas will be able to stir something in. The feat is as difficult as killing him, but it is possible. Oda said, when Kaido appeared for the first time, I said that Luffy can't defeat such a strong character yet, and I am yet to know how Luffy will defeat Kaido. Maybe, probably my audience will not be satisfied if the reason for defeating Kaido is just because Luffy's punch is so strong. Luffy and I have to find a solution somehow. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit this video a like, and if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe, guys. So it's me, the One Piece guide, signing off. So till then, take care, peace out, bye bye.